The video streaming industry has seen an incredible rise in popularity in recent years. According to Statista, by 2028, there will be 0.8 billion users in the video streaming industry. The COVID-19 pandemic further fueled the growth of online streaming services as more people sought entertainment from the comfort of their homes. Technological advancements have revolutionized the video streaming industry. High-speed broadband allows users to enjoy buffer-free, high-definition streaming. The proliferation of smart televisions and mobile phones has expanded viewing options. These advancements have led to an increase in streaming platforms, offering diverse content and improving the overall quality and immersive experience for viewers worldwide. Before building your website, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Understanding your users will help you create content and a user experience tailored to their needs and preferences. Choose a platform that offers scalability, customization options, and ease of use. Popular platforms for creating video streaming websites include WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla. An attractive and user-friendly design is key to drawing in and retaining users. Ensure your website has an adaptive design that works across various screens and devices. Consider hiring a professional web designer or using pre-designed templates to speed up the design process. A visually appealing and intuitive interface enhances the overall user experience. A robust content management system, CMS, is essential for managing your video streaming website's content. Select a CMS that allows easy content creation, organization, and publishing. WordPress is a popular choice for creating and managing video content on streaming websites, offering numerous plugins and customization options. To legally stream movies and TV shows, you must acquire proper licensing agreements. Research the necessary licenses and ensure compliance with copyright laws. Partner with production studios and distributors to obtain the rights to stream their content. This step is crucial to avoid legal issues and provide a diverse content library for your users. Integrate payment gateways to monetize your video streaming website. Popular choices include Authorize.net, Stripe, and PayPal. Ensure your payment gateway is secure and offers a seamless user experience. Consider different subscription models, such as a subscription-based model or a freemium model, to generate recurring revenue and attract a wider audience. Implementing security measures is vital to protect your website and user information. Use SSL encryption, secure user authentication, and regular security audits. Incorporate features like IP-based access control, multi-DRM platforms, token security, AES encryption, watermarking, and screenshot prevention to safeguard your content and ensure user confidence. Once all steps are completed, launch your video streaming website. Test all features to ensure smooth functionality before going live. Promote your website through digital marketing strategies like social media advertising, content marketing, and influencer partnerships. Continuously update your content library, monitor user feedback, and perform regular software and security updates to maintain optimal performance.